Dutch elm disease has wiped out most of the elm trees in New England and across North America. Scientists are studying healthy elms, like one on Cato Corner Road in Colchester, to try to cultivate disease-resistant trees.
This tree was found by my interns driving by a few years ago by coincidence, and they thought it might be a good candidate for a tree that has resistance to Dutch elm disease. Actually, across the street is a dead American elm that died from Dutch elm disease. So we think it's promising as a likely tree to have resistance, and we'd like to test it.
On Monday, arborist Peter Merriam trimmed branches from the top of the Colchester elm. Nature Conservancy research associate Christian Marks will send the cuttings to a nursery, where pollen from the tree will be crossed with other disease-resistant trees. In several years, when the saplings are an inch in diameter, they'll be injected with the disease to test their resistance.
Hopefully, this tree or one of the other 20 trees that we're testing this year will turn out to add another tree to our American elm cultivars that we can use for restoring the species.
It's a long process, but one that Marks believes is worthwhile.
We'd like to restore the American elm to floodplain forests where they were formerly co-dominant with maples. So many of New England cities have elm streets, and older people that remember those beautiful vase-shaped trees arching over the streets are really quite nostalgic for that, and it'd be nice to restore that part of our heritage.